kung ikaw ay breadwinner sa family, especially kung ikaw ay OFW, my best advice sa iyo is that buy first a rental property. So, sabi ko rental, yung bili ka ng property, it's for rental purposes. The reason why I highly recommend you to invest first, kasi nga, ikaw yung inaasahan. Paano kung, what if, di ba? Kung may nangyari sa'yo, so wala na rin silang aasahan. At least, kung nakabili ka ng property before, at pinarent mo yon, by the time siguro nakakailanganin mo yon, nag-appreciate na din ng value yung property. So meaning pwede mo siyang ibenta. So mas mahal na siya kaysa sa dati mong pinambili. So I highly suggest na you have to look after first yourself before you look after for everybody. So kung talagang gusto mo matulungan yung family mo, tulungan mo muna yung sarili mo, mag-establish ka muna ng income na eventually lahat makikinabang. Kasi alam mo ba, knock on the wood, diba? Kunyari may nangyari sa'yo at na debts ka. So, pero hindi pa natapos yung monthly amortization. So let's say pinang-financing mo yon. So this is also the good thing about leveraging, bank financing. So kapag bumili ka ng property, hindi mo naman kailangan bilhin ng cash. Use the power of leveraging, use bank financing. But just make sure na yung bibilhin mong property ay hindi titirahan ng family mo. So it's for rental purposes, para yung monthly amortization mo, it will come from the rental income. So, pwedeng for the first time, hindi ka muna mag-cash flow, but at least it helps you to pay the monthly amortization. But gradually, every year yan, nagtataas naman yung renta, as long as you're looking after as well yung property mo. So, make sure para maitaas mo din yung renta so you can follow the inflation rate. So, again, like I said, so let's say kapag bumili ka ng property and you use the power of leveraging, so you were using bank financing, so that property, just make sure and let your family know that the property that you're buying is for rental purposes. So let that property paid by itself and appreciate by itself. Kasi pagdating ng araw, kung napagod ka na, ayaw mo na, gusto mo nang mag-for good, pwede mo nang ibenta yon, and for sure, it will be tripled or quadruple in value kapag gusto mo nang mag-retire. So, di ba, sino ba yung nagbabayad ng monthly amortization? It's the tenant. So, then,